Welcome back. All ambulances at GMC need to be scrapped as soon as possible. Out of 9, only 1 is in condition to operate, but without any essential medical equipments. In case of any emergency, patient is shifted in 4-wheeler which is not at all equipped and suited. This risk is an everyday affair at the GMC.
This is one among the 9 ambulances that is at least in working condition. But look at the state of the ambulance. No stretchers, no wheelchair, no essential medical equipment. The roof of the vehicle is open. The ambulance is not bad, but in the worst condition. Right now, this is an alternative for the inter-ward ambulance service at the GMC, a 4-wheeler, which is not at all equipped. Patients and staff complain that it becomes difficult for them to shift one patient from one ward to another. However, nobody is ready to speak on camera. While the government boasts of raising medical degree course seats and the setting up of cardiac care super specialty, basic services and life support at the GMC has collapsed. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Health hazards, air pollution, noise pollution, total nuisance and chaos. The residents of Vanili Kolva are up in arms against a scrapyard operating in their residential area. An orphanage home housing around 90 children is also located close to the scrapyard. Residents claim that even after a number of complaints, authorities have not initiated any action. They want the menace to be removed.
मुगे चेवडा कोई मलेरिया जाली मुगे चेड्या जाली मलेरिया आनी चावूय पासार बर जायना आनी आनी थिंगा एश कोनचो दिवाळ येताय सगळें एशें भोंवताय म्हाका भिरायन दिसता हांव बरें नालो मनीस तेशें लोकोन हें कोता तितलें म्हाका डिस्टर्ब जाता आमच्या घरा मुकलें तेणें हे भाशेन घालपा न्हू
आमचो ऑथॉरिटी पंचायती दिल्ले आनी जायते पाट आय डोंट नो कित्याक लागून हेल्प कोनाय ते
कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशन पावले सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलीस मारगांव कलेक्टर साउथ गो कलेक्टर पावयली कोणूच अजून पासून आमकां कान उदके करून पडले
तो घेताय को पुलिस आप तो घेताय एक्शन को घेना
Kolva Sarpanch says Panchayat is in the favor of removing the illegal scrapyard, but since the case is pending before the additional director of Panchayat, they cannot.
Any procedure which is done is stayed by the director.
Sir, but there is no permission issued by the Panchayat.
There is no permission absolutely by the Panchayat. Hold on, there is no permission. District court has passed an order in our favor, district court. And it is stayed by the director. I don't understand. Sorry, not the director, additional director. Whoever is looking after the matter. And it's lingering there for 3 years, 4 years. No outcome is coming.
Savia dies for Prudent.
Aahan auditions are on at various talukas in Goa. Aahan is a talent show in acting, singing and dancing. Next auditions of Aahan will be on 17th August at Vasco, Ponda and Sakali. Aahan has received tremendous response till now. If you want to prove your talent, take a chance. Here are some of the excerpts of auditions at Panji and Kurchode.
इतल्या सकाळी 5 उठून किती असा कोण जाणा आमका सांगला गे ती चल धन्नो झूठी तो वही किसान हो गई कि खेच छोड़ हमारे मौसा की भी सारी जिंदगी टांगा चला थी दे
Next audition is on 17th August in Vasco, Ponda and Sakali.
पार्टिसिपंट्स जितले आमचे कलाकार आसा तांणी येवन पार्टिसिपेट करचें आनी जाता तितलो प्रतिसाद बरो घेवचो आनी आमचे 21 सप्टेंबर ह्या दिसा आमचे ग्रँड फिनाले मडगांव रवींद्र भवनान आसतलें ते दिसाक सगळ्यांनी येवन येवचें आमचे सेलिब्रिटी जजीस आसतले लायक वरचलो आमचे टिंगर सो सगळ्यांनी मेळून येवचें.
Greenery, monuments, festivities. Tiny hands were busy giving the best at the All Goa Greeting Card Design Contest. The contest was organized by Bal Bhavan at Kampal in Panji. Over 100 students from different schools took part in the contest. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.